that lady, man.
Oh man,
Selling that body, man.
she shouldn't even done that.
No.
It's crazy.
Crazy.
Word.
And then he skipped town with all your bread.
Got hit by a car, fell to the ground.
And people all over start to gather around.
And he was hurt so bad, it seemed to be.
But he was only down for the currency.
Huh? Ladies at the corner look so fine.
And man, oh man, I wish she was mine.
I mean, she looked so cute with a skin tight suit.
But she was selling that body as a prostitute.
Well, it might sound sad,
Or might sound funny, but that's what people
do for money. Well, it might sound sad,
or might sound funny, but that's what
people do for money. Children growing up to see this. Teenage girls dating senior citizens.
I said, tell me, girl, what's happening?
She said, I'm down on my luck, so what?
I'll see if I can lay him for a couple of